Hi guys, so for today we are going to be working on reading the passage World Celebrations and then answer questions 1 to 3 and fill in the boxes on page 3. So let's start with World Celebrations. All over the world, people get together to celebrate. They celebrate birthdays, they celebrate religious holidays, they celebrate national holidays. And each culture celebrates in a different way. Some people make special holiday foods. Some wear special holiday clothes. Some have special holiday parties. Here's a look at a few celebrations around the world. Kauai is one of the Hawaiian islands in the Pacific Ocean. In Kauai, people have had fun at the Coconut Festival for many years. Coconuts grow at the top of tall, thin palm trees. Every part of a coconut tree is useful. The trunk can be used for wood. The leaves can be used to make mats and roofs. The nut can be eaten or pressed to get oil. The husk and shell can be burned for fuel. During the festival, Hawaiians have coconut contests. Who can be the first one to top of a coconut palm? Who can crack a coconut open the fastest? Who can make the best food using coconuts? Kids paint them. Teenagers play ball with them. Men and women make clothes out of their leaves. And performers dance and sing. Coconuts are very important to Hawaiians. So at the Coconut Festival, people celebrate coconuts. Just south of Hawaii is the equator. Following the equator east leads to African continent. The Ivory Coast is located there. Every year, people in the villages make masks. Some of the masks look like animal heads. Some look like scary faces. In November, the villagers celebrate the Festival of Masks. They wear their masks and dance. Huge drums come. Boom the rhythm. Which dancer moves the most like an animal? Which mask is the best? The most skilled dancers in each village get to dance at the National Festival of Masks. Following the prime meridian north from the Ivory Coast leads to England, part of the European continent. After a cold winter, the English celebrate the coming of spring on May 1st. Each community has its own party. They decorate the streets with flowers and greenery. Often they put up a maypole with white ribbons hanging from it. Dancers wave the ribbons as they move around the pole. Other groups dance through the streets. Many people wear white. Girls carry flowers and put flowers in their hair. May Day is a time for love and joy. East of the European continent is Asian continent. Thailand is at the south end of Asian continent. Every April 13th, Thai people celebrate the New Year with the Water Festival. This festival is a time to honor old relatives. Young people pour water over their grandparents' hands as a sign of respect. But the Water Festival is mostly for fun. For 3 days, people play with water. They throw cups of water at people walking by. They shoot water guns at their friends. They soak their neighbors with garden hoses all over the country. People have huge water fights. April is the hottest month of the year in Thailand. People have huge water fights. The water festival is a fun way to cool down. Celebrations happen all over the world on all different continents. People eat special meals, they give gifts, and they have parties. Celebrations are a time to remember traditions and a time to have fun. So let's answer the following questions. Let's see. Question number 1. How are a party surprise and this article alike? Is it A, they both tell how to make something for a party? B, they both tell what people in Mexico do at parties? Or C, they both tell about celebrations? Answer the question on a piece of paper and write it down. Number 2. The author included maps in the article because A, she wanted the reader to plan a trip around the world. B, she wanted to show where in the world the different countries were. Or C, she wanted to make her article longer. Write your answer on a piece of paper. Number 3. Which of the following goes in the empty circle? Is it A, celebrate with coconuts, B, celebrate with ribbons, or C, celebrate with masks? This is your empty circle. Answer your question. Okay, so let's continue. Let's think about the article World of Celebrations. Write about a special celebration you have in your family or in your culture. How do you prepare for the celebration? What do you do at the celebration? Who comes to celebrate with you? Write about your favorite celebration. Why do you like it? And describe what do you do at the celebration. So right here, I want you to write if your favorite celebrations Christmas. Why do you like it? And what do you do? Or if you like Halloween, or if you like birthdays. If you write anything you want here, give me at least 2 sentences. Okay?